Welcome to a world where kindness is a gift, but sometimes people take advantage. We all want to help those around us, but there are certain types of people we need to be careful with. In this video, we're exploring 8 types of individuals you might want to stop helping immediately. But here's the catch. Some of them might surprise you, and not everything is as black and white as it seems. Stick around because number 8 will leave you questioning how many of these people you have in your life right now. 1. Ungrateful people. We all love to help others, right? But what happens when the person you help doesn't even say thank you? The first type of person we should be cautious about helping is the ungrateful. We've all encountered them. Those who dismiss your efforts like they're nothing. It's as if your help is an expectation, not a favor. No matter what you do, it's never acknowledged. You feel that? That's resentment building up. Trust me, it's a slippery slope. Helping someone who takes your kindness for granted can leave you feeling frustrated, even bitter. The real question is, why put yourself through that? And yet, the ungrateful are everywhere. At work, at home, even in friendships. Before you help them next time, ask yourself, will this person even appreciate what I'm doing? If not, it might be time to let them figure things out on their own. But wait, are you unknowingly enabling someone else in your life? The next type of person might be even harder to spot. 2. Lazy people. We all want to be there for others, but what if the help you're giving is keeping someone stuck in their own laziness? Laziness is sneaky. It doesn't always look like someone lounging around all day. It can show up as constant excuses, missed deadlines, or endless procrastination. And the worst part? They lean on you to pick up the slack. But here's the hard truth. When you help lazy people too much, you're not really helping them at all. You're just enabling their avoidance of responsibility. It becomes a vicious cycle. They stay dependent, and you end up stressed, doing more work than you should. It's time to let them take ownership of their lives. Next up is a group that might sound familiar. What if you're constantly cleaning up someone else's mess? 3. Irresponsible people. This is where things get real. We've all had that one friend, coworker, or family member who just can't get their life together. And yet, who do they call when everything falls apart? You. Irresponsible people are masters of poor decision-making. They rarely follow through on promises and expect you to swoop in and save the day. But here's the thing. By bailing them out, you're actually making it worse. They'll never learn from their mistakes if you're always there to clean up after them. Sometimes, the best help you can offer is to step back and let them face the consequences of their choices. Still with me? The next type of person is an emotional mastermind. Stay tuned. It's about to get tricky. 4. Manipulators. Enter the emotional manipulator, an expert at twisting your kindness into their personal tool. Manipulators are cunning. They know exactly what to say or do to tug at your heartstrings and get what they want. They might make you feel guilty, or they might use flattery to get you to do things for them. But remember this, their kindness is a transaction. They're not interested in your well-being, only what you can do for them. The moment you stop being useful, they'll drop you without hesitation. Protect your energy. Don't let their emotional games drain you. If you thought manipulators were bad, wait until you meet the next group of people. Criticism is their second language. 5. Chronic critics. Do you know someone who always has something negative to say? Welcome to the world of chronic critics. These people are relentless. No matter what you do, it's never good enough. They thrive on finding faults and rarely offer any positive feedback. After a while, Being around them can drain your self-esteem and confidence. Helping a chronic critic can feel like you're pouring your energy into a black hole of negativity. The more you give, the more they take, leaving you emotionally exhausted. Remember, you don't need to engage with constant criticism. Sometimes the best way to help is to distance yourself. Speaking of distance, the next person might just take your kindness and run with it, straight into their own inflated ego. 6. Narcissists. The narcissist. You probably know one, but you may not have realized how deeply they can affect you. Narcissists live in a world where it's all about them. They have an inflated sense of self-importance and often lack empathy for others. They'll gladly take your help, but don't expect them to return the favor. In fact, they'll use your kindness to boost their own ego, leaving you drained and feeling unappreciated. The moment you set boundaries, they'll turn the tables and make you the villain. It's time to reclaim your energy. Don't let a narcissist take more than you're willing to give. But beware. Some people don't just take. They plan every move. Keep watching to meet the opportunists. 7. Opportunists. Opportunists are always scheming, looking for the next way to benefit from someone else's hard work, and that someone might be you. Opportunists aren't necessarily bad people. They're just focused on themselves. They'll take advantage of any situation to improve their own circumstances, even if it means stepping on you in the process. If you're not careful, you might find yourself doing things for them that serve their goals, not yours. It's crucial to set boundaries and make sure you're not being used. Now, on to the final type, the one that might be the most toxic of them all. 8. Envious individuals. Envy is a silent but powerful force that can destroy relationships without you even realizing it. Envious individuals may act like they're on your side, but deep down, they resent your success. They may try to sabotage your efforts, undermine your achievements, or even spread negativity behind your back. Engaging with envious people is dangerous. It can affect your mental health and self-confidence. The best way to deal with them? Keep your distance and protect your peace. So, what have we learned today? While helping others is important, it's equally important to protect your own energy and well-being. Not everyone deserves your help, and that's okay. Take a moment to reflect. Are there people in your life who fit any of these descriptions? It might be time to make some tough decisions for the sake of your own mental and emotional health. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more insights on living a healthier, happier life. Take care of yourself first, so you can give your best to the people who truly appreciate it.